In this video, I will be showing you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets using the GPT for Excel Word add-in. Let's get started. I start on my desktop and click on the Microsoft Excel icon to open my workbook. Here, I have an employee attendance tracker sheet with names, departments, hours worked, and status. I navigate to the top right of the ribbon and click on the Add-ins button. A panel opens showing my current add-ins and some popular recommendations. Right under the popular section, I see GPT for Excel Word. I click the Add button next to it. The system takes a moment to process, and a new sidebar panel appears on the right side of my screen labeled GPT for Excel Word. The add-in begins loading its interface. Once it loads, I am presented with two options to log in. I can either sign in with Microsoft or sign in with Google. For this tutorial, I click on the Sign in with Google button. A small browser pop-up window opens, asking me to choose an account to continue to GPT for Excel Word. I click on my email address from the list. The pop-up updates to a sign-in screen, where I enter my email address into the text field and hit enter. Next, it prompts me for my password. I carefully type my password into the input box. A prompt appears asking if I want to save my password, and I click Save to make future logins quicker. I then click the Continue button to grant the necessary permissions. With the authentication complete, the pop-up window closes, and the sidebar panel inside Excel refreshes. It loads the main workspace, showing me different tabs like Agent, Bulk Tools, and GPT functions. I make sure I am on the Agent tab, where there is an open chat box that says, Ask a question or type a command. I type my prompt into the box. Analyze the data in this spreadsheet and create the most useful charts and visualizations. Add titles, labels, and insights for each chart. Once my instructions are ready, I click the blue send arrow icon. The AI agent starts processing my request immediately. The panel shows a checklist of actions it is taking, including evaluating chart creation steps, loading the data from my attendance table, and planning its next moves. Now, look at the main spreadsheet area. The add-in automatically creates a beautifully formatted attendance dashboard right next to my original data. It builds a status summary table and inserts a colorful pie chart showing the attendance status distribution. Below that, it generates an average hours worked by department column chart, detailing the exact figures for IT, finance, admin, and other teams. To the right, it adds a horizontal bar chart displaying individual hours worked by employee, complete with data labels. The sidebar updates to confirm that the charts and summaries have been successfully placed, providing a quick breakdown of key takeaways like overall strong attendance, specific department averages, and individual standout metrics. Everything looks perfectly organized, and that is how you easily bring the power of ChatGPT directly into your spreadsheets. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.